Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
When you compare it with typical device sizes, you really start to notice just how massive this 8.8-inch display actually is. The grip area is huge too. It's even larger than what you'd get on a standard gaming controller. Honestly, it almost makes you want to drop in a coin and start playing right away. Now, this is the 5th generation of the Legion Y700, and the fact that this lineup has made it this far says a lot. Either it's doing really well commercially, or there's clearly strong demand, and honestly, it's probably both. Gaming tablets aren't some niche idea anymore. Plenty of users are looking for compact devices that still deliver serious performance. So let's dive in and see what this 5th gen Y700 brings to the table. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Starting with the unboxing, you get that familiar Legion-style packaging. This generation also introduces some AI-inspired features. And as you slowly lift the lid, the first thing you notice is the front. Yes, it's the white bezel version, exactly the one I was hoping for. Inside the box, you'll find a cable organizer, the user manual, a charger, and a SIM ejector tool. Speaking of the charger, Lenovo includes one rated at 6.2x with a maximum output of 68 watts. The Type-C connector itself isn't particularly large, but it gets the job done. Moving on to the device itself, the front features that same 8.8-inch display. Even with relatively small hands, holding it with one hand feels comfortable. The front is completely flat, with a centered, front-facing camera. But what really stands out this time is the design. The white bezel gives the front a much cleaner, more premium look. Around the edges, you'll notice some thoughtful details. At the top, there's a technical-style logo, along with a speaker that has a subtle beveled finish. The volume and power buttons sit on the side, and the power button has a textured surface, making it easier to locate by touch. You'll also find the microphone and a micro SD card slot here, complete with a waterproof rubber seal. For a gaming tablet, expandable storage is a big deal, especially with storage prices constantly rising, so this is definitely a welcome feature. On the bottom, there's another speaker and a centrally placed Type-C port. Flip to the other side, and you'll find one of the signature features of the Y700 series, a second Type-C port positioned along the long edge. Having dual Type-C ports on different sides makes a lot of sense, especially for gaming in different orientations. Turning to the back, the white finish looks clean and well organized. The Legion logo stands out nicely, and there's a single 50-megapixel camera module. As for weight, it comes in at 362 grams, which is pretty consistent with previous generations. Overall, it feels just a bit heavier than two smartphones. Jumping into the software, this generation introduces AI features right away. You can even set up a wake phrase like, "Hey Xiaotian." It's interesting to think about what name sounds best for an AI assistant. Feel free to share your thoughts on that. The tablet also comes with a cyberpunk-style exclusive wallpaper, which looks great. Compared to smartphones, tablets usually have fewer pre-installed features, but here you get a few unique additions. One of them is the Gadgets app, which we'll explore more later. As a tablet, it also includes drawing-related apps like Drawing and Drawing World, which can be paired with a stylus for creative work. Then there's the Tianci AI assistant, our Xiaotian, which supports conversations, AI writing, translation, and even system controls. Another highlight is Legion Space, a dedicated gaming hub with a polished interface that feels similar to platforms like Steam or Xbox on a larger screen. Within your game library, you can track playtime, record gameplay, and view detailed stats. On the hardware side, there's also a nice visual touch with the dynamic lighting effects. Depending on what you're doing, gaming, listening to music, charging, or interacting with AI, the lighting changes accordingly. And yes, RGB lighting is here, adding that extra bit of gaming flair. It looks great, no doubt about it. Looking at the display settings, you get refresh rate options of 60 Hz and 165 Hz, and you can even assign different refresh rates to specific apps. When using a stylus, the screen adjusts to 120 Hz. It's also worth mentioning that more and more games now support 165 Hz, which is great to see. Under closer inspection, this is an LCD panel. Yes, even in 2026, you can still get a flagship-level LCD screen, but since this isn't a phone, concerns like extreme sharpness or eye strain aren't as critical, and there's also an eye protection mode built in. The overall design is slightly more compact in height, making it easier to handle. Audio-wise, it supports Dolby Atmos, and the speakers get impressively loud. You can clearly notice the stereo separation from left to right, which adds to the immersion. The vibration feedback is also well-tuned, giving a more refined feel during use. And when it comes to grip, the symmetrical speaker placement ensures that nothing gets blocked when holding the tablet horizontally. It's a well-thought-out, mature design. For unlocking, you've got the standard options, password and face recognition, keeping things simple and convenient. The Y700's accessories are actually pretty impressive too, so let's check them out, starting with the black and white versions. The white one comes in a two-piece design covering both the front and back, and it features this all-over hexagonal pattern. Once you snap it on, it gives solid protection, and there's even a cutout on the back to show off one of its coolest features, RGB lighting. It's not a full wraparound case though. The sides are slightly open, focusing more on protecting the corners. There's also a detachable stand that clips into place. You can unfold it, fold it back, or even open it from the side depending on how you want to use it. Personally, I think this setup is really flexible. The whole accessory package weighs about 495 grams, and if you mix the black and white pieces, you can even create a fun panda-style color combo. Another nice touch is the hexagonal texture on the back, which improves grip when you're holding it horizontally. And there's more. Let's move on to the Legion Gamepad G3. The design will feel familiar right away, especially since it's made to work seamlessly with the built-in game space. It's super lightweight and comes with multiple interchangeable rubber pads, so you can use it not just with the tablet, but with phones too. Swapping them out is easy. Just unplug and plug back in. Very straightforward. Setting it up couldn't be simpler. It uses a Type-C connection, so it's basically plug and play. Once you connect it, the system instantly recognizes the controller and launches GameSpace automatically. No extra setup needed. Since it's custom built for the Legion, the button layout is optimized along the long edge, so you won't run into the usual compatibility issues you might see with other controllers. Once it's connected, you're essentially holding an 8.8-inch handheld console. The total weight comes to about 497 grams, so still under 500 grams. For comparison, an 8-inch device like the Switch 2 weighs around 553 grams, meaning this larger setup is actually lighter. That's pretty impressive, and the size difference is noticeable, making it great for both gaming and streaming. If you line it up against other common handheld sizes, the difference becomes even clearer. You've got the 8.8-inch Legion Y700, then an 8-inch Switch 2, a 7-inch ROG Xbox device, a 6-inch Odin 3, and a 5.5-inch retro handheld. Seeing them side by side really shows how big this display is. Now, some of you might feel that this setup looks a bit unconventional compared to a typical all-in-one handheld. That's fair, but there's a solution for that too. Enter the Legion G9 2026 edition. Basically, if you want a more integrated experience, this accessory has you covered. You remove the back cover, mount the tablet into what's essentially a protective shell, connect it via Type-C, snap everything into place, and just like that, you've got a massive, ultra-comfortable handheld console. With everything attached, the Y700 transforms into a full-on handheld system. It looks huge, and honestly, it feels huge too. The total weight comes in at 723 grams, so it's definitely not light. For reference, that's slightly heavier than an Xbox-style handheld at around 716 grams. The grip itself is massive, even bigger than what you'd find on standard console controllers. Button-wise, you're spoiled for choice. You get dual analog sticks, a D-pad, 4 primary buttons, plus 4 more on the top and another 4 on the bottom. The bottom buttons even support 2 adjustable positions, with the second level featuring Hall effect triggers. Even in this fully loaded setup, you can still access the camera, including switching between front and rear, although the surrounding frame makes it less practical for actual use. For navigation, you'll mostly rely on the back buttons. For example, instead of swiping to go home, you can just tap a button. Even within apps, a quick press brings you back to the main screen. There are also lighting effects on both sides of the controller, adding to the overall gaming vibe. And now, don't go anywhere, because this is probably my favorite Legion accessory this year. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces coming together. It honestly feels like building something back in school. The assembly is simple, and once everything is in place, it just clicks. Add the final piece, and there it is. Doesn't it bring back memories of old school summer gaming? Even if you don't play, it looks amazing as a display piece, like a collectible from childhood. And yes, it's officially licensed IP, Metal Slug 3 with all those familiar characters. We've got the official Legion SNK branding as well. I couldn't resist jumping in. Insert coin, there goes my money. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who are you picking? Of course, you'll need to install an emulator yourself, but once that's done, the experience is fantastic. Honestly, devices like this are just too fun to leave sitting unused. There's always something you can do with it. And that's it for this one. See you in the next video.